welcome to my channel. As you can see, I've did a little bit of changes. I've changed my title from Working Those Cues to simply DD, because that's what they call me. They call me DD. My name is Danielle, and I just wanted to have a change for 2021 and kind of broaden my horizons and bring a few different things to my channel and see how it works out. So I'm going to be still kind of tapping into the couponing every so often, but I wanted to gear more towards unboxing, some self-care things, maybe even some motivational things. So we'll see as the year progresses. But I did want to start off the new year with what I got for Christmas. So I will be doing an unboxing. I know it's a little late, but I will be doing an unboxing for my first video of the year. And as you can tell by the title, it's a luxury handbag. I am a handbag girl. I have been collecting handbags for quite some time. Since I was a young girl, in maybe like the 10th grade, I received my first entry-level luxury handbag, which was a Coach, and it's been a whirlwind ever since. I'm a very plain Jane girl. You know, as far as designer clothes, I don't too much get into that, but I love a nice handbag. So with that being said, I have moved up a notch. I have plenty of Coach bags. I started using Brumman and getting Brumman handbags back in 2014. And now we've moved up one more notch, guys. So without further ado, we're gonna unbox, which I've already opened her, but I'm gonna unbox my Louis Vuitton for you guys. So take it down, pull it out. Now I did a lot of research before I purchased my bag. This was a gift from my husband. So I have the ribbon, which I took off. I don't think they ever put it on. I got this, I'm here in Louisiana. So the closest Louis Vuitton is the Galleria Mall in Houston, Texas. So, sorry y'all. And this is the box that it came in. You guys know the deal. You know the drill. It has a magnetic closure. And so I am going to, it has a dust bag. It's in a dust bag. And this is the receipt. I'm just gonna put this right here, and so let's see what we have. It is the beautiful Neonoe. So this bag, I did a little research on it. It was a bag that was made to carry wine bottles. So it is a really durable bag. I mean, it's not anything flimsy to it. It has the monogram print. It has the drawstring closure. The strap is in the inside. It has a crossbody strap. And I'll attach the strap. And I did order a different handle. I ordered a handle for my bag. I ordered some bandos, a bando for my bag. So that'll be coming shortly. And this is how it looks with the longer strap. And I will be ordering, well, I did order a handle. And so I'm just going to kind of stand up and kind of show you guys. And this is what a sweatshirt. So if you guys can see that. That's what it looks like. This is what a sweatshirt. So, and I'm about 5'6". So yeah. So she is gorgeous. She has, I don't know if you can see, but there's a middle pocket in there. Middle zip pocket. I do have a organizer for my bag. It's a black organizer I ordered off of Amazon. And once I start to use the bag, I'll do a once in my bag to show you just how much can fit in the bag. I'm also waiting on my wallet. I did order a wallet, so I'll do a review on that. But yeah, this is my baby. This is the back. This is the bottom. It does not have feet. But yeah, this is the first of many to come. Yes, I'm going to speak it into existence. I'm going to take the straps off and put them back. And I take pride in my bag, in my bags. So a lot of my bags that I have, I do not wear to the workplace. Like I'll wear them other places when I go out. This is probably going to be one of those bags. This will be one of those bags. Because I just like to take really good care of my bags. And this is the front again. So yeah, guys, this bag was, let's see, and I can see if there's the item number is M44020, and it's the Neonoe in the monogram print, the black with the black drawstring, and it's like a velvet in the inside. This bag retailed for $17.80 with tax $19.26. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah. So this is my first luxury, high-end luxury handbag, guys. But like I said, it will not be my last. So if you guys have any questions, please leave them down below. I will be doing other unboxings. Like I said, when I get my wallet, I'll probably come on and unbox that. And when I get accessories for it, I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like all dressed up. And I'll also do a what's in my bag for you guys as well. The SA told me that it wasn't a good idea to keep the bag in the box. I just kind of put it back in the box for you guys to do my unboxing. But it will go back in the dust bag and go in my closet is how it should be cared for. But that's it, guys. Just a thank you for you guys who remained hanging around. I am from Louisiana, and we have had a lot going on last year. On top of the pandemic, we had a hurricane. My home was damaged. A lot of friends and co-workers lost homes. So it has been a rough 2020, but we are in 2021, and we are speaking better days into existence. If you guys are looking forward to seeing what my channel has to offer in the year of 2021, if you are new, please hit the subscribe button. If you are a oldie but goodie, please like the video and share. Again, if you guys have any questions or comments, please place them down below. And I'm so appreciative and I'm so thankful for all of you guys. You guys have an awesome day, and I'll try to come back to you very, very soon. Thank you. Have a good day.